Hello, I'm Bob Conklin, principal at Muhlenberg Green Architects in Berks County, about 90 minutes from Philadelphia.
And I'm Scott Graham, principal at Muhlenberg Green Architects. We're doing a special edition of our popular game show today in honor of National Lego Day.
We'll show you 4 Lego models of famous buildings built by our team and architects.
We'll read fun facts about each building, and you put your best guess in the comment section to tell us which building it is.
It's at the bottom, the comment section. If you like this video series, please visit our YouTube channel for more. And now, good luck, and let's play
Guess This Famous Building!
Okay, our first building. Fact number 1, this building has a surface area of 6 acres. It's approximately 620 feet long, 512 feet wide, 159 feet tall. Built of stone mined from a quarry located 20 miles away from the building site. It's estimated that 100,000 cubic meters of travertine stone was held together by thousands of iron clamps. The outer walls are covered in 3 levels of columns, the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. Each level of this building has 80 arches. Of these, 76 are numbered with Roman numerals to help people find their seats, just like today. Only 31 of the 80 arches are at ground level, and they're still intact. In its lifetime, this building has experienced at least 3 large fires and 4 large earthquakes. It's believed that as many as 400,000 people have died here during the years it was used for human blood sports and spectators. This Creator Expert Lego set is rated for 18 plus. That's your age. 9,036 pieces. It's 11 inches high, 21 inches wide, and 24 inches deep. And it was released in 2020.
This Frank Lloyd Wright building is often cited as a masterpiece of the Prairie style of architecture. It is the archetype to which all other Prairie school buildings are compared. Typical of Wright's holistic architectural approach, he designed not only the house, but all the interiors, window patterns, lighting, rugs, furniture, and textiles. They're too small, we couldn't make them out of Legos. The house has projecting cantilevered eaves, continuous bands of art glass windows, and utilizes Roman brick to emphasize its horizontal lines. There are a lot of little bricks. The exterior walls are double wide construction consisting of standard Chicago common brick as their core and a red-orange iron-spotted Roman brick veneer. To further emphasize the horizontality of the building, Wright detailed the horizontal mortar joints with a contrasting cream-colored mortar, and the vertical joints were colored to match the brick so they would bleed in with the building facade. From a distance, this complex and expensive masonry detailing creates an impression of continuous lines of horizontal color and minimizes the appearance of individual bricks. The planter urns, copings, lintels, sills, and other exterior trim work are all of Bedford limestone. The design of the art glass windows is an abstract pattern of colored and clear glass utilizing Wright's signature 30 and 60 degree angles. In 2011, LEGO released this 2,276 piece model under its architecture series. Its dimensions are 14 inches by 7.5 inches by 4.5 inches. Most of the pieces are small 1x2 plates built on top of each other to mimic the brick detailing of the building.
Guess this famous building number 3. This Plano, Illinois house is one of the most significant works of Mies van der Rohe. The architecture of the house represents the ultimate refinement of Mies van der Rohe's minimalist expression of structure and space. It's composed of 3 strong horizontal steel forms: the terrace, the floor of the house, and the roof attached to the unattenuated steel flange columns. First conceived in 1945 as a country retreat for the client, it was completed in 1951 as a structure of Platonic perfection against the complementary ground of the informal landscape. The house faces the Fox River just to the south and is raised 5 feet 3 inches above the ground. The house's thin, white I-beam supports contrast with the darker, sinuous trunks of the surrounding trees. Debates and lawsuits sometimes question the practicality and livability of the design, but the house would be increasingly considered one of the pivotal moments of Mises' artistic career. The LEGO Architect Series set was issued in April 2011, has 546 parts, is 10.3 inches by 7.5 inches by 2.8 inches.
Our fourth building today is a multi-venue performing arts center in Australia, regarded as one of the world's most famous and distinctive buildings. A masterpiece of 20th century architecture. Designed by Danish architect Jorn Utzon, but completed by an Australian architectural team headed by Peter Hall, the building was formally opened in October 1973. Though a beautiful design, the project was plagued by cost and scheduling overruns and the architect's resignation. The building comprises multiple performance venues which host well over 1,500 performances annually attended by more than 1.2 million people. The facility features a modern expressionist design with a series of large precast concrete shells, each composed of sections of a sphere with a 75-meter radius. The shells form the roofs of the structure, which is set on a monumental podium. Other building statistics include it covers 4.4 acres of land, it's 600 feet long by 394 feet wide, and it's supported by 588 concrete piers sunk as much as 82 feet below sea level. Although the roof structures are commonly referred to as shells, they are actually precast concrete panels supported by precast concrete ribs. From a distance, they appear uniformly white, but actually feature a subtle chevron pattern composed of 1,056,006 tiles in 2 colors, glossy white and matte cream. This 270-piece LEGO set was released in 2012 as part of the LEGO Architecture Series and measures 6¼ inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches. We hope you've enjoyed celebrating National LEGO Day with us today at Muhlenberg Green Architects and our architectural LEGO models.
Visit us at the web at mg-architects, that's with an S, more than one, .com for the answer key, and check us out on our YouTube for more editions of
Guess This Famous Building!